Looking to get your first RoboVac? Xiaomi's S40C takes over the dust, pete, and crumbs for you. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40C is a robot vacuum and mop that handles daily cleaning with simple controls. It's built for first-time robot vacuum users who want hands-free cleaning without learning a complex system. 5,000 Pascal suction power lifts dust, crumbs, and pete from hard floors and crevices so that you don't have to sweep. A 520ml dustbin and a 260ml water tank reduce how often you need to empty and refill during the week. LDS laser navigation scans rooms, creates an accurate map, and plans efficient routes so that it covers more with fewer missed spots. Multiple sensors reduce it getting stuck and falling, and it can climb small thresholds up to 20mm when the mop pad is dry. At about 97mm tall, the low profile lets it travel under beds, chairs, and low furniture where dust often settles. In the box, you will get the robot, dock, power adapter, side brush, mop, water tank assembly, and the guides you need to get started. Place the dock, power it up, connect it to the Xiaomi Home app, let it go through the setup steps, and choose a mode or schedule, and let the S40C handle the rest. You can start and stop cleaning with supported voice assistance so that one command can kick off a clean.